Today we will understand professional negligence in a medical practice with its definition, elements, legal requirement and example. Professional negligence is the failure to exercise reasonable care and skill that an ordinary prudent medical practitioner would exercise in a similar circumstances. It is a breach of duty which result in bodily injury, harm, loss or even death of the patient. Negligence include two types of acts. First, act of omissions means not doing what a reasonable doctor would do. Second, act of commissions, doing something that a reasonable doctor would not do. As per Black's Law dictionaries, 4D should be proved for professional negligence. First, duty. There must be physician-patient relationship which create a professional duty of care. Second, dereliction of duty means the physician must have violated the standard of care by a negligent act or omissions. Third, damage means a compensable injury must result pain, disability, disfigurement, extra medical bill, loss of wages or death. Fourth, direct causation means there must be direct link between the doctor's negligence and the patient injury. In a case of malpractice suit or medical professional negligence, patient will be plaintiff and physician will be defendant. माल प्रैक्टिस तभी प्रूफ होगा जब डॉक्टर की लापरवाही से पेशेंट को नुकसान हुआ हो। चलिए इसे एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं। जैसे कि एक डायबिटिक पेशेंट को कोलेसिस्टेक्टोमी के लिए भर्ती किया जाता है। यदि ब्लड शुगर टेस्ट नहीं किया जाता और ऑपरेशन हो जाता है और बाद में उसे कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशंस डेवलप होती है तो यह नेग्लिजेंस कहलाएगा। लेकिन यदि कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशंस डेवलप नहीं होता और अस्पताल से नॉर्मली रिकवर होकर डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है तो यह नेग्लिजेंस नहीं माना जाएगा। Professional negligence is proved only when duty, derelictions, damage and direct causations all exist together. Thank you for watching.